Hey folks, I haven't been around for a while. It's Babaloo, Barbecue Pit Boys Pitmaster, and I've been out touring the world, and I've had many emails from all my fans, and you got to do another video. And so here I am. I'm showcasing my new thing that I built. It's a Weber kettle, and I built this thing. And it's a beauty, as you can see. Just like, it's got everything. And tonight we're gonna cook some chicken wings on here. And it's pretty damn hot. It's I got this vortex thing that I made, and it's smoking hot. And I gotta get some chicken wings on here and try and not get burnt. So I'm just gonna take this off for a sec. And I'm gonna put some chicken wings on here. And they're seasoned chicken wings from Costco, and you put them on the outside and they cook indirect heat. Oh, the thing's hot. And I need long sleeves. Oh. So I'll be doing this for a minute or two. Here we are. It's the last one going on, and that thing's smoking hot. And they're gonna go for, I'm gonna check them in 30 minutes, and we'll see how they look. Okay, we're back here. It's all been almost a half an hour, and I'm gonna look at these and have a check, and oh my gosh! And I forgot to mention before, this is like wood chips in there for smoke, right? And I forgot to mention that in the first time, and it's like, oh my God. I think I need another beer. Beer, sister. Beer, sister. Thank you. Anyways, these things are looking good. Whoa, it's still hot. It's gonna be like, I'm gonna say 10 more minutes, and we'll be eating them. Well, we're back here at Babaloo's Backyard Barbecue, and we're cooking these chicken wings, and I think they're done. And we need a platter, so platter assistant, anybody here? Thank you. I got 2 bowls, and I'm just gonna start taking these off and put them in the bowls. Oh, they're gonna be good.
You guys like eating in or out?
Yeah. So here we are. We got these chicken wings. They're all done. We're gonna sauce them up, and we're gonna eat them. And man, I bet you could cook another batch of chicken wings on this fire. It's going. That's a fire. So here we are, we're back here again. And those chicken wings, they were fantastic. And I appreciate all the help I got from all the Weber Kettle Heads on Facebook. Got a lot of information from them. And this thing is amazing. Like, it's like, I shut that thing off, I shut the vents off not an hour ago, and it's like almost at zero temperature. Like, it's amazing. And I'd like to thank all my fans for coming out and supporting me, and a little advice, keep your stick on the ice.